Welcome to the another video from Simple Networking. This video we are going to see what is Meraki product as well as why the name is called as Meraki. So before going into the Meraki, I will just would like to brief about Meraki and who founded and when Cisco is occurred. So first of all, three of the students studied from MIT from US. From their academic project, they want to do something in the entire MIT campus. There are thousands of wireless would be there, right? To manage the all wireless into the simple way in single dashboard something. So from this idea, the Meraki was founded. So once this is founded and some of point of time, the Cisco is acquired this Meraki concept. So, why the name is called as Meraki in the sense like actually this is Meraki is the word which we are calling. The actual name is like Meraki. This is the Greek language. So, what is the meaning of this thing is like when you do something with a passion. So, this three students they have did something with their passion, so they've come up with this kind of wonderful idea. So this is the things they have keep it as Meraki. Their name is keep it as Meraki. So coming to the Meraki, so Meraki is the simple and most powerful IT solution, and we can say easily Cisco Meraki is a simplicity and cost effectiveness, and it is like lightweight solution. And we can say one more thing, this is like cloud managed this is like SD-WAN solution. Cisco Meraki is the SD-WAN solution, and Meraki networking is as much simple as simple. So the advantage of Meraki is like, so when the legacy network, mostly we are managing the network and doing troubleshooting into the CLI, and we need to use some uh, third party tool or some internal tool to analyze the things, right? When Cisco Meraki is one GUI, and the GUI is very user friendly, from one GUI we can do all kind of things like deployment, installation, troubleshooting, managing everything. And it is very easier and fast and smart to be do the things. And deployment in a minutes. Cisco Meraki is a zero touch installation. Zero touch installation in the sense like when we are having any USB, this is plug and play, right? So same thing, Meraki is very simple way. We need some very basic configuration to the device. Once the basic configuration is done and the device is connected with the Meraki dashboard, that's it. Then we can push the configuration easily to come up the device into the online, and cost effective and more efficient as well. And we can do the very complex issue into the very simple way. Like in olden days, if you want to do any packet analyze, we use to connect to the port into the mirror, and we will analyze the packet into the Wireshark, right? But in Cisco Meraki, the tool itself will provide the packet into the Wireshark. We can easily do the troubleshooting. So type of device in the sense like Cisco Meraki product is we have almost um, um, 8 product. So generally the product will generally we will call as MX, MR, MS, MV, MG, MI. So MX generally the MX device is like cloud managed security appliance. So security appliance generally we will call as MX. MX in the sense like MX65, MX66. So MX if it is always MX is referring means, so that is security appliance device. So MR if it is representing means this is wireless access point. MS is switch. MB is smart cameras. So same way for MG is the cellular network, and MI and SM is not the hardware. So these all are the devices, endpoint devices, and these all are the hardware. But MI and SM is not the hardware. This is one of the intelligent software we can say. So it's a MI is the Meraki inside. So when Meraki is like easily to do the troubleshooting, or you want to see the monitoring and the performance of the application from the Meraki inside, we can analyze the things. So SM is the system manager. So this is generally using for the endpoint management. And I will just show you some product for your reference um, in the next slide. So before going into the, so this is the Meraki dashboard. In this Meraki dashboard, we can manage the all the things into the single GUI, like troubleshooting deployment. So if you see here, security appliance switch wireless is right. So this security appliance only we will call as MX. So if any devices there MX65, and that device you want to configure is like you have to navigate to the Cisco Meraki dashboard, then security appliance. Same way for the switches wireless, and we have other product as well. In the next video, I will show you how to log in and the next steps. So now coming to the device, so this is one of the reference device which is MX65. So MX65 device generally will appear in this way. So we have, there is four type of indication color. So color is white, right? And there is four more color is there, which represent the things individually, that I will tell you in the deep into the next video. So coming to the back side of the panel, we have almost four uplink port and two PoE port, and these all are the normal end user port. This uplink port, actually MX65, right? This is security appliance, right? This security appliance generally it will be act as the firewall, uh, router, IPS, IDS, VPN connection, auto VPN, 4G failure. So all kind of things can be capable to do it into the MX box. Generally we will call as uplink, right? So uplink in the sense like to be simple, when you are purchasing any connection, the connection will come to the mux. From that mux, one cable will connect to the MTU. From the uh, cable coming from MTU, we will call as uplink, right? So those kind of cable we will connect here, or we can connect any internet cable as well. This too is for the PoE cable, which you would like to connect any access point or something. This is the power cable. This is wireless access point. We will call as MS. Yeah, sorry, MR. So this is the backside of the wireless access point. So in this wireless access point, this is the PoE port. From this port, we can connect the cable, and power and the data will be carried in one single port. And if you want to utilize any external power adapter, we can use the power adapter as well. And there is one more hole is there, right? So that hole, this hole, so this hole, if you want to do the factory reset of the MR device access point, we can just pitch in into the hole for 2 minutes. Then the factory reset will be done, in the sense like the data will be wiped out, and the new configuration will be pushed from Meraki dashboard or cloud. This is the device for Meraki layer 2 devices. So generally we will call as MS. All right. So from Meraki also providing two type of, one is like layer 2 switch and layer 3 switch. Like I can say example for CAT 3K and CAT 9K, we can do stacking on all the things, right? So same way all the features is available into the Meraki product as well. This is the smart camera, outdoor camera. We will call as MB product. So this is a call as a cellular gateway. When the product name generally will refer as MG12 or MG13. This is we can say in the simple way, like when we are having any 4G and 5G modem, right? So those modem we will call us here as the cellular gateway. This modem also can be manageable from the Cisco Meraki dashboard itself. So what are the product I showed so far I shown, right? Those all product can be managed into the single dashboard and can be managed and deployed and troubleshoot and connect. Everything can be done into the single dashboard. In the next video I will tell you how to log in and how to navigate and how to do the next steps, like the topology. Everything will be shown in the next video. Thank you.